Hey, what is up, lawn care community? I'm here with another video. The exmark Viking walk behind the 48 belt-driven mower. I posted it to Facebook Marketplace, and apparently someone's interested, and they shot me a message. So I'm gonna show them the mower today. We're meeting up, and hopefully I can sell it. I have it posted for $700, which I know is a good deal, but I'm willing to get rid of it, especially for cheap in the winter, just so I can use it to either invest or pay off some debt or bills or whatever, you know. You guys have seen my mowing vlogs. You know that I already have 2 Skag mowers, and I'm looking to invest maybe even into another Skag this upcoming season. I just have to kind of see, you know, what capital I'm working with and how things go in the spring with our spring cleanup schedule. So anyways, guys, I'll keep you posted, and hopefully today goes well with this sale. We loaded up the trailer, we loaded up the mower, and I met the guy, and he's pretty nice. He's definitely motivated to buy it because the price is really good. I know that. So basically, what's happening now is he looked at it, and he has to get his trailer. He's not giving me the runaround at all. He wanted to see it before he really makes the purchase, which is fair. But he wasn't prepared. He didn't have the money on him, so he wasn't like actually prepared to buy it today. And today is the 6th of January, so he said he's able to meet tomorrow, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully he comes through. He said he's planning to buy like 2 or 3 mowers all at one time. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to see, you know, what happens and what he comes up with. So keep you guys posted. Peace. I just been doing a lot of running around immediately after I sold the mower to the guy that contacted me through Facebook, and he showed up today with his truck and trailer and his brother, and you know, they bought it straight up cash for my asking price, which I knew I was gonna get anyways. I told him I was very firm on my price, and he knew that it was a good deal, so he didn't negotiate anything on it, which is rare, but I think my price was just that good, to be honest, and I was willing to sell it, to just put some money in my pocket, pay my rent, pay off a loan. That mower was my backup last year, and halfway through the season, when things dried out, I didn't even use it. So that mower was literally sitting in my garage for months, halfway through the season till now, which wasn't hurting me per se, but it was taking up room. And you know, with the crazy weather in Michigan, I haven't had a chance to get out and do any snow, on top of, you know, other jobs. So it's been a little weird this winter. So thankfully I was able to sell that. He saw it yesterday and really liked it. Came through today, boom, made the quick sale. So it's all good.